Welcome to this video where we'll show you how to add AI chatbot features to Firefox quickly and easily. To start, open Firefox and go to the settings. Look for a section called Firefox Labs. In Firefox Labs, you'll see an option called AI Chatbot. Click on this option to enable it. After enabling the AI Chatbot feature, you can choose which chatbot you want to use. Firefox offers several options. There's some proprietary chatbots, and there's also an open source option called Hugging Chat. Hugging Chat lets you use different open source models, such as the Llama 3.1 70B model. For this demonstration, we'll use Anthropic's chatbot. To set it up, you might need to log in with a Google account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to use the AI chatbot in Firefox. There are two main ways to use the chatbot. The first is through a sidebar. To open the sidebar, go to the View menu, then select Sidebar and choose AI Chatbot. This will open a panel on the side of your browser window with the chatbot ready to use. In the sidebar, you can choose different AI models. Here we're using Claude 3.5 Sonnet. There are different versions of the AI with varying capabilities. The second way to use the chatbot is directly on web pages. This is a very useful feature. For example, let's say you're on a web page about Cloud Run, a Google service. Let's try it out. If you hover over a large block of text on a web page, you'll see the AI icon. Click on this icon and select Summarize. The AI will then quickly analyze the text and provide a summary for you. This summary is usually presented as a few key points that capture the main ideas of the original text. But summarizing isn't the only thing the AI can do. There are other useful options as well. For instance, you can ask the AI to simplify the language of the text. If you'd like to support the channel, start a free trial of our new design tool, which is linked in the description, and let us know what you think. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and please enjoy responsibly.